Your friend says, "Get out of here." Your boss says, "Let me point something out." Your phone stops working and you say, "It broke down." So these are not single words, they are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs make English more natural, fluent, and confident. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. In this video, we will learn 5 daily life phrasal verbs. Let's start. Number 1. Get out. Get out means to leave a place. It can be polite or strong depending on situation. So let's understand by example. Please get out of the car. So if someone is coming out of car, you can use this phrasal verb. Number 2. The building is on fire. Get out now. Get out means to leave or exit. Number 2. Point out. Point out means to draw attention to same thing. You use it when you want someone to notice a fact or mistake. So let's understand by example. She pointed out my spelling mistakes. Number 2. The teacher pointing out the important inaccuracies in the presentation. So point out can be used either to show or explain clearly. Number 3. Breakdown. Breakdown has two common meanings: when a machine stops working, second, when a person becomes very emotional. Let's understand by example. My car broke down on the highway. Number 2. She broke down and started crying. So breakdown means stop working, lose control. Number 4. Piss off. Piss off means make someone very angry. So let's understand by example. His rude behavior really pissed me off. Do not piss off your boss. So piss off can be used to make someone very angry. Number 5. Number 5 means agree with, means have the same opinion. So let's understand by example. I agree with you completely. Number 2. I do not agree with his idea. So agree with can be used when having same opinion. So let's quickly revise all the phrasal verbs. Get out, leave, point out, show clearly, break down, stop working or crying, piss off, make angry, agree with, same opinion. So if you found this video more helpful, please like, follow and subscribe this channel and comment before which phrasal verb you use most. Thank you so much.